Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Quick Learning Technique. Today, we're gonna learn to use colorful curtains in MS PowerPoint as a transitions. Okay, so do not forget to like and subscribe and keep watching. First of all, we need to go to MS PowerPoint. So I'm going here by pressing Windows plus R key and typing PowerPoint. Go ahead and delete both box that appears in the first slide. Okay, then you have to insert the picture of curtains that you can download from Google Chrome or from Mozilla Firefox from online pictures. Okay, I'm gonna download that from Google Chrome. So I'm opening Chrome. Here, picture of curtains. Okay, go to images, then you can choose whatever you like to apply as a transitions. Okay, so I'm choosing red curtains. Here I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, right click on it and save image as. I'm gonna save it in documents. Okay, curtains. Okay, it's downloaded. Then go back to PowerPoint. Here, go to the picture, then go to the documents, and here curtains. Insert it. Okay, I'm gonna fit it in the screen. Okay, this way. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Here you can type whatever you wanna. Okay, I'm typing welcome to my channel, Quick Learning Technique. So one thing you have to remember is you have to select on second slide, not in first slide, to second slide, and then go to transitions and go here to choose curtains. Okay, click on curtains. Okay, like this way. Then let's play it from beginning. Okay, this way you can use curtains. Okay, so guys, I hope you like the video and thanks for watching, and to like and subscribe.